Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoin YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at what the heck is going on with Bitcoin. Specifically, Micheal Saylor dropping nearly $1 billion on Bitcoin, making the largest Bitcoin buy in months. What the heck is going on in the crypto markets, where everything seemed like it was going left? It's starting to go right now. We're seeing large transactions like this. Interest is starting to reignite again. What's going on with crypto? And more importantly, are we going to see Bitcoin hit $100,000 in December? Again, that's what it's starting to look like. Before we start, I do gotta ask if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and make sure to check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Link in the description box below. Recommended by New York Post, Bitcoin.com, Business Insider, and many reputable sources in the crypto and finance space. Every download supports the channel tremendously, and I appreciate if you check it out. Multi-chain wallet, all the features you need built right into the app. Check this thing out. Now, back to what's going on with Saylor, as Strategies unveils its largest Bitcoin purchase in over 100 days, but the company's stock price was a little change on Monday. Strategy unveils its largest Bitcoin purchase, and then we see the change of stock. Some analysts lower price targets for Strategy last week. So it's absolutely insane. As of now, they're holding over 600,000 Bitcoins, which is absolutely insane. We can see right over here, Micheal Saylor Strategy now holds over 660,000 Bitcoins, worth over $60 billion. Another 10,000 Bitcoin off the market, and Strategy and straight into a cold wallet. It's absolutely insane. Oh my God, hold on. Did he buy another 10,000 on top of the 600? Oh my God, this guy is just going crazy. Breaking news: Micheal Saylor buys another 10,624 Bitcoin, worth 962 million. It's absolutely insane. He just keeps doubling down and buying in, which is just it's just crazy how much he's buying. It's not just him. The entire crypto market has just been very, very bullish. We see Argentina's central bank considers allowing banks to offer Bitcoin and crypto services. We're seeing more funding coming in as well into Bitcoin, more adoption coming in, and we're about to see rate cuts, I believe, on Tuesday, which is pretty interesting. So again, it looks like we're sitting in a very interesting spot for Bitcoin and crypto. And just yesterday, guys, I was covering why I believe Bitcoin's going to reach $100,000 by December. And now with this massive buy by Saylor, I'm starting to feel more and more bullish. We go to the news category. We see Saylor dropping nearly $1 billion on Bitcoin. We see Bitcoin price could surge new all-time highs within weeks. World's smartest man. We're seeing Strategy raises 963 million to buy Bitcoin. Micheal Saylor explains why banks are no longer waiting for Bitcoin. We see MSTR added more than 10K Bitcoin last week. More and more coverage on this news. It's absolutely insane. Now, guys, since we're talking about Bitcoin, there's another Bitcoin altcoin that's going pretty crazy, and that's with Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper is the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, offering scalability and speed to Bitcoin. Bitcoin Hyper will unlock fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions, which will unlock the true power of Bitcoin for payments, meme coins, and dApps. So we start seeing building and developing on Bitcoin like we're seeing on other chains. They've raised nearly $30 million in pre-sale, and in 1 day and 2 hours actually set to increase the price. So you're gonna get the lowest price. Now's the chance to buy. You buy the card or crypto directly from the website, which I'm leaving the link in the description box below. Hyper is one of those ones we've been covering very closely, and I'm very, very bullish on this one. So definitely check this out. But back to Bitcoin, we see Bitcoin price is diabolical. We're seeing the UAE is hosting the largest Bitcoin conference in Abu Dhabi this week. Micheal Saylor will be speaking tomorrow. Hopefully this will cause some pumping for Bitcoin. Just in billionaire Micheal Saylor just arrived to the largest Bitcoin conference in the Middle East. Oil money is buying Bitcoin. It's coming. Things are gonna be insane. And again, remember, this guy, specifically Saylor, has some crazy conviction for Bitcoin. If he convinces these other billionaires to buy as well, tomorrow could be a very, very green day for Bitcoin. The fact that we've even dipped below 90K today suggests it's a fantastic time to be buying and loading up. Now, there are some things you want to be aware of, because these three things are very important to the macroeconomic future, at least in the United States. This September JOLTS job openings, Fed interest rate decisions, Fed Chair Powell press conference, OpenSea monthly report, initial jobless claims, US 30-year bond auction. So these 3 days, Thursday, Wednesday, and Tuesday, are going to be very critical for the market as well. So just one more thing to factor in. Now, before we wrap, guys, quick market update. Market up about 2%. Ethereum greater than 24, RSI 48, sitting rather neutral. Bitcoin holding above 90, Ethereum holding above 3,000. Things to be gearing up for a fantastic storm. But guys, remember, like always, none of this is financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, as I'm not a financial advisor, therefore this is not financial advice. Now that wraps up the video. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar.